When you get the antenna, at least through the source I got it through, it's going to come in a very generic box like that. I really wish it would have had the actual manufacturer and the part number and all that stuff. Because, of course, the eBay link I show you, who knows in 5 years, 10 years if that'll be there. At least you'll be able to contact that guy and have a starting point. And the detailed specs do show a manufacturer part number, but I don't know if that's just made up by the eBay seller. But at any rate, here's the only thing on the box that may be of some help. Maybe. But at any rate, let me go ahead and pull the antenna out here. Okay, so when you pull it out, it's going to be in a bag. And you'll know right away when you match them up that the new one's about a foot shorter, which is really irritating. Because everybody knows you can always coil up extra length, but shorter is just a headache. Hence why you got to buy the extension. You may be able to play with rerouting, but it's pretty straightforward how Toyota routes it. So I don't know that you're going to get it to work without the extension. I didn't try. I always like to do things as close to factory as possible. Behind the gauge cluster and stuff, there will be a couple clips. If I remember right, 2 or 3. Again, I lost my video. My GoPro overheated and I lost everything. And this is a big enough pain. I'm not going to do this project again just to make the video. But you definitely have to rip everything apart. You can't just pull it through because of the clips. Let's see. There is one sticker on this bag, but there's no part number. And I believe it's the eBay store. So hopefully that helps you out. So the only thing that's going to be a little bit difficult when you go to do this antenna, when you go to put the new one in, the part of the antenna, and you can see how mine was broke. That's how it was when I got the vehicle. When you slide that out of the driver's side A-pillar, when you replace it, this is the sheathing that protects the antenna when it's pushed back into the vehicle. Okay, because it pulls out about 2 or 3 feet, as you can see. You are going to have to kind of play with it and keep fishing it, and then you'll finally feel this go into the hole that it's supposed to go into. That takes a minute or two. It's a sense of feel. Also, let's see. You're going to have some clips. It felt like there was one, like, let's see, on the actual antenna wire, like one maybe right here and one maybe right here. But you're just going to have to kind of snag at it. And you'll kind of see what I mean. Snag lightly and then just keep snagging a little harder until those clips break. I took the inner A-pillar trim off and you can't get to it. But at any rate, that's at least what the antenna looks like. So hopefully that helps you out. Again, I'm sorry I lost the video. I actually just found the some literature in the box. I'm covering up my address with my finger. But there you go. There's a little more information. It's a direct fit, but not direct length. 87 through 02 Toyota. And I'll tell you what, though, that may be some of the problem. As I want to say, my generation ends like 92 or 93, so maybe it is the correct length on some of the newer redesign models. Okay, and it also gives you some instructions